self-shoot something that's super tactical for the work that you do for a client. If you are a Facebook ads consultant, show how you set up ads to get a high return on investment. If you are a coach, show a quick live coaching session with a client that agrees to do that. It's 5 minutes long. If you're a marketer, go to somebody's landing page of a website and do a teardown. Do something tactical and shoot that, edit that, and put it out and say, okay, here is an example of the work that I do. And you're literally showing how you're doing it piece by piece. I've done this before with LinkedIn profile optimization exercises where I'll go through and look at somebody's profile and I'll tear it down to show areas for improvement, where the story can be better, where the visual aspect can be better. And I know it sounds a little crazy to give it all away, but you're building trust because you're showing people literally, this is part of the work that I do and part of the work I could do for you. So do that tactical walkthrough, think about what that means for your business and have it be something that really provides high value and shows how you do very deliberately do something that you do in your day-to-day work.